so today I'm gonna be showing you I wouldn't say all my fidgets, but some of them. As you can see, so there's a lot in there. So yeah, so first we got the monkey noodles. These are the original ones are my first ever monkey noodles. And then we also got textured ones. This is the textured ones. This is a textured one. It's like the spike. It's like spiky. And I have to go a little fast just because I'm going to my grandma's doctor. But yeah, she's going for a checkup. But yeah, and no one gets to take care of me because my mom and my dad's at work. And my mom and grandma's coming with me. She's bringing me. But yeah, so that's why. But this is super cool. There's also more. It came in a 3-pack. Not with this one. That one's just a different pack. But yeah, this one came in a 3-pack with a purple one and a normal green one. It has these little marks on them. So yeah. Then we got marble mash, as you saw in the intro. Let's see. Look, you can also do this with the marble mash if you didn't know. Look, you can do this. Do this. It's kind of satisfying. Okay, I do like this. And you can shake the marble. Because there's some marbles in there. I got I don't know how many marble mash because I keep on forgetting, but yeah. So, I know squishies are kind of old now. I still got some. I got a cupcake one and a unicorn ice cream one. I mean, not a cupcake one. I have an ice cream and a unicorn. What did I say? Cupcake. I think I said ice cream cupcake. Yeah, I think I did that. I think I said that. But it's really an ice cream. And then this is a unicorn one. That's ice cream. So, yeah. Put those in. Put them in. And then we got a snapper. It's purple. I got a pink one and a rainbow one. Then we got poppets. I have a giant one. Okay, you have a giant one right there. The rainbow thingy, that's what it is. So, yeah, this is a popsicle poppet, and it has letters and numbers. Wait. Look at the bottom. 3, 4, yeah, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Something like that. So, yeah. Then we got a lot more poppets, but I'm just going to show you that. And we also have they are the same, but they're different shapes. And yeah. But I got a plastic one. I have another one, and it's a square that's rainbow. But I don't think I need to show you guys that because it's the same thing, except it's hard shelled and it's a different shape, like this one. Out like this one. So yeah, this one's super fun. So yeah. Then we got dimples. We got this texture dimple. I only have 2. And then this one. This one's just the normal one. And then this one's textured, as you can see the textures. So let's do a textured dimple. Let's do the textured dimple first. This one's small, and then this one's small too. It's blue. Okay. This one, outside. So it's textured at both sides. And then this one is the normal one. It's off-brand, but it's fine. It's okay. Then we got a dimple digits. Yeah. This is another off-brand thing. Yeah, it's really off-brand. So, this is super good. There's a different language at the other side. And then this one is actually a hexagon, and it goes in the dark. The quiet side is really bad, seriously. And then here's the loud side. So, yeah. Okay. And then we got like this Among Us dimple. I got it from Shein. So, then we got this octopus thing. It's like a new fidget toy. Yeah, it's a new fidget toy, bruh. So, so you can pop it too. Wait, let me pop it all because you already saw the loud, quiet side. Okay, now you can also flip it. Oh! Sorry, there's a sword chain on it, so yeah. And I picked these colors just because they were cute, so. Wait, look at the loud side. So that's the loud side. And that was that. Then I only got one of these, but it's like a pop-it bracelet. It's good for like bringing anywhere. See, it's kind of big for me. It's okay. At least I can pop it back and forth. So here's a quiet side. And then here's the loud side. So, yeah. Then we've got this. Fidget spinner dimple. There's a lot of dimples, seriously. And then I got a water timer unicorn thing. So it's a unicorn and it spins when you do this. And then it just stops. And then it spins, but then you do it like this. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and I also got one tangled. I got another one. It's hiding in the bottom. I also have like a stretchy banana and a wacky track. Wacky tracks. And also a stretchy carrot. So here it is. It's so fun. So yeah. Here's the wacky track first. Like this, and then and then I squish it, and then it's like this. I don't know. I also have a mini poppet. I actually don't. Wait. I don't know if I actually showed you this one, but it's like this mini poppet, but it's longer. And here's another mini poppet, but it's normal. It's a heart shape. It's loud on both sides. So yeah. Also infinity cubes. Oh, infinity cubes. Ah. Okay, infinity cubes. And you can see my infinity cubes. They're like my favorite fidget. Here's a triple dimple, by the way. Yeah. So I'm actually not gonna show you my banana stretchy thing because I think it's too long in the bottom. So this, or it's like, I'm not really going to take it because it's kind of long and it gets longer when you stretch it. So this is just like infinity cubes, As you can see, this one already really wants to be played with. So we're gonna play with it now. It's opposite colors. See, look. So this one, these parts are pink, and then the pink one, there are parts are blue. So, yeah. Yeah, these are actually plastic ones. They're like homemade, but they're actually real. So this one is very kind of, when I first got it, it was stiff. Like seriously, it was stiff. But now it's kind of getting a little loose. I know I play with it fast. This is how I usually play with it. Yeah. It's an exercising thing for your hands. I'm joking. It's not really exercising. But then we got, lastly, a pop tube. Not more, but those are all the way at the bottom, and I don't really want to mess it up. This is all I'm going to do just because I have my neighbors. But yeah. So that's that. So those are like some of my fidgets. So yeah, bye. Also, this is at the bottom. Oops. Okay. These are at the bottom. And then here's the, oh, there's the snapper. Don't actually know if you actually saw it. But yeah, so that was that. Hopefully you saw the pink snapper. And then I also found this mini poppet. The quiet side is really bad though. Don't mind my sock. Here's the loud side. Look at what it does. And I just leave it there. It just sometimes pops by itself. Look at that one. See? That's what it does. Seriously. So, yeah. That was it. So, yeah. Bye. I'm going to post this now.